No, this isn't normal. The birds are gathering like consistently in my yard and flying around my house. They're gathering, they know. They know when it's raining, and they know. It's a gathering, the birds of a feather, the flock is gathering. And the other night here, hello, 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 hello. This isn't... They're saying hello. My cat is just sleeping. She knows something's happening. And the other day I came through from there with my son, and there were bats in the same place. Bats flying all around the same pattern. So this isn't normal. And I mean not normal in a good way. That the birds are signaling and they're partying. Somebody said they're partying, and it's been so long. I've been working for actually thousands of years on what I've been working on. And hello, hello. They're saying hi.